Hamilton. We're here. We're in Hamilton. I don't know what part of Hamilton, to be honest. But anyways, we're waterfall hunting and we are trying to find Albion Falls. So to get here, we took the go bus from Mississauga and we took a local Hamilton bus. Yeah. Okay. Well, watch how we got here and then see you at the falls. It's pretty interesting. There's a lot of trails around. We actually started the Bruce Trail, which is, I think, like a 2-day trail in Ontario. I'm not sure, I think. And then we ended up turning back because we were going off track. We did find the fall, but unfortunately we didn't get to go to the foot of it because it's closed off. I had my yoga mat. I was ready to do yoga by the waterfall, but all in all, it was a good trail. It's very accessible, it's kids friendly, it's easy. So if you're ever in Ontario, Hamilton is definitely a place to visit for good trails and waterfall. Until next time.